pleasure of visiting Jain University in Bangalore. I was really kind of appreciation that the wonderful facilities provided by this institution to the students and the achievements that the university has gained in many fields. I think this is one of the best institutions I have visited. Today my topic was to all in social values and consequences thereof. And I think I did my best possible today, which from the questions and answers that you have given, I think students appreciated it, and it is my idea that if the present generation changes their attitude towards social values, I'm sure in the coming decades, India will become a very important nation with values. Therefore, I wish the students all the very best.